Hi guys, I hope you guys are well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make DIY products to help you improve your skin and hair. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it. In this video, I wanted to show you different ways you can use papaya for your skin. There's tons and tons of information online about how to use papaya and how great it is for your skin. So I share with you 3 amazing recipes that would really help to brighten your skin. If you have any blemishes or spots and stuff like that, it can help to clear it. I've just finished using it and my skin is looking extra glowy, okay? So let's get right into it. I'll show you the before of my skin and what it looks like after, as well as all the recipes. Notification bell so you don't miss another upload from me, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so first of all, why papaya? Papaya is rich in antioxidants. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and niacin. And all vitamin C and niacin are great in lightening and brightening the skin. I know a lot of people that watch my channel struggle with spots and things like that. And therefore, pawpaw is a great fruit to incorporate into your skincare. It's a gentle exfoliant, like it really helps to remove all the dead skin cells from your skin. Because it contains vitamin C as well, it helps protect the skin against sun damage, and it helps to heal the skin as well, and it helps to clear the dead skin so that the fresh supple skin is exposed, and therefore you look much younger and your skin just looks a lot brighter as well. It has awesome natural cleansing properties that help to clear the skin of impurities, helps to prevent breakouts and unclog the pores. So papaya is an awesome ingredient. It really helps to lighten the skin. So if you're struggling with spots and things like that, it's a great remedy for that, okay? And that's why I'm going to show you all these recipes. So I've gone ahead and washed my papaya and I've cut it into half. I've emptied the seeds out of it. The seeds are also great. They're a great exfoliant, but I find they're too harsh for the face. So, you know, if you want to exfoliate maybe your knees or your elbows or something like that, then I feel like you can reach for the seeds. But for the face, I would prefer sugar or something that's a little bit more gentler. So basically, I've washed my papaya and I'm going to get the fruit out and put it into a bowl, and then I'm going to blend it into a puree. I only have a stick blender available and that's what I'm using, but you can use a regular blender. If it's extra mushy, you could probably just use a spoon to mash it together and it'll still be fine. So our first recipe will be a gentle papaya cleanser. And all you would need is a teaspoon of your papaya, your pureed papaya, and then a teaspoon of lime or lemon, okay? We all know the benefits of lime and lemon. Almost every skin brightening natural DIY product has lime or lemon in it. It's an amazing brightener. And then we're going to apply it to our face. So yeah, we're going to apply this to clean, dry face. And then we're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes before we wipe it off, and we're going to move to the next recipe. This is an amazing cleanser. Like I said, it's rich in vitamin C. It really does help to brighten the skin. You guys, in my previous video, a lot of people were telling me how beautiful my dark skin is, and thank you. I appreciate it, and I do know that. And I'm not trying to bleach my skin. I'm just brightening my skin. And I think because we spend a lot of time in the sun, it's always nice to be able to brighten your skin and remove the suntan. And, you know, I'm sure you guys thought you will find that video helpful, and that's why you clicked on it. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it in the description box below. It's called How I Lightened My Skin in 6 Days. Anyway, let's continue. In the next recipe, we're going to make a gentle face scrub. So I've just added some brown sugar. You can use white sugar as well, and I've added like 3 or 4 drops of olive oil. You can substitute the olive oil with these 3 oils. You can use jojoba oil or almond oil. You can use coconut oil as well if that's what you have available. That's it. Or grapeseed oil as well is great. That's it. Okay guys, so I'm just gone ahead and exfoliated my face, and now I'm going to wipe that off with a fresh baby wipe. Okay, clean your face properly. So I did everything back to back. I started off with the cleanser, and then I moved on to the mask, and now we're going to make this creamy gentle mask. Okay, so here I've just added a teaspoon of milk powder to my papaya, to a teaspoon of papaya, and I'm going to apply that to my face. You guys know milk contains lactic acid, and it's a great brightening agent. So I've added that to my papaya, and I'm going to apply it to my skin, and I'm going to allow that to dry completely before I wipe it off, and then we'll move on to our final recipe. Guys, I did this back to back. You don't necessarily have to do this back to back. You can do it like throughout the week. Say today you do the papaya with lemon, tomorrow you do the exfoliant, then the next day you do the milk one, and then another day you do something else. But I found doing it back to back gave me like extra glow, I guess, an extra oomph, if that's a word. So yeah, you guys don't have to do it like this, but I wanted to do it like that to see if I will get dramatic results. So yeah, especially if you have sensitive skin, you may not want to do all that in a day. So just be mindful of that. So guys, already I feel like my skin was feeling super soft at this point, and it was looking a lot brighter. I was using natural light, and so it was in and out a little bit, but generally my skin had improved dramatically at this point. In my last recipe, I've just gone ahead and added some bentonite clay to my papaya, and I'm going to apply it to my face. You can substitute the bentonite clay with gram flour, which is like chickpea flour, and that would work really well as well. Okay, but I only had bentonite clay available, so that's what I used. I'm going to wait for that to dry up, and then I'm going to wash my face with soap and water. Okay, so this is the last recipe that I made, and therefore at this point I use soap and water. In washing my face, I use my creamy black soap. That is my holy grail. Like, I cannot go without that soap. I cannot use any other soap for my skin because this soap works so well. I don't know if I'm going to share the recipe with you guys because that's like a big source of my income. I sell it and I make some money from there. You know, YouTube doesn't really pay that well, so it might be my little secret. I don't know, but yeah, I might decide to share it. I'm not too sure, but it's great. It contains a lot of great ingredients like honey and stuff like that, so it's amazing for your skin. So yeah, I've just washed my face with that, and at this point my face is still wet, and I'm just showing you what my skin looks like before I wipe off the water. I feel like my skin looks really good. I didn't start off with bad skin, but my skin just felt super soft, and it did look a lot brighter as well than it did in the beginning, even though like it was pretty much nearly nighttime, and so I didn't have much light coming in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss another upload from me. Further support me by following me on my Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Take care guys. Bye.